So this says, which function defines g minus f of x? Well, I'm going to color code these. So this is f of x, and this is g of x. All right. So when I say g minus f, I'm literally going to write down log of x minus 3 plus 6. And then when I go to write down f, I've got to subtract f. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say minus, and then I got to push that through the entire parentheses. So I say the cube root of 12x plus 1 plus 4. Now what happens is that just makes this negative cube root of 12x plus 1 minus 4. Because I got to distribute this negative 1 times this and a negative 1 times this. And then the rest of the function remains the same. I've got log base 10, it's a common log, of x minus 3 plus 6. Now, the next thing that I want to do, and all this stuff is just my composite function g minus f of x, okay? But now I want to see if there's any way I can simplify some of this stuff. Well, I've got a positive 6 here and a negative 4 here. Those are like terms. They're not attached to anything. So I'm going to end up with log of x minus 3 minus the cube root of 12x plus 1, and then 6 minus 4 is just a positive 2. And that is the function g minus f of x. And that's it. That's our answer.